This YouTube channel has only 12 videos, yet one of them has crossed 2.4 million views on its own. So I dug into how they're actually making these videos, and what I found genuinely surprised me. At first, I thought they had a full production team behind them. They don't. And it's not just this one channel. This channel explains complex tech topics and gained 174,000 subscribers with just 21 videos. This one talks about businesses, and this one covers the Marvel Universe. Different niches, same formula. Views on their videos are insane, especially considering how few videos some of these channels have uploaded. At an average $5 RPM for finance content, that puts this channel's earnings somewhere between $30,000 and $50,000. Now listen carefully, because the crazy part isn't the views. It's how these videos are actually made. Every one of these channels has something in common. Every single video was made with AI. No editing software, no timeline, no motion graphic skills. Each one takes under 15 minutes to make, start to finish. And the best part? Making these videos is much easier than you think, even if you're a beginner. And every one of them was built inside a single AI workspace. Before we build one, you need to understand why this format keeps getting millions of views. They're simple, they're high converting. They teach the viewer something specific in a few minutes, and they keep people locked in from the first second to the last. This format has a name, explainer videos, and that's exactly what we're building today. Here's what you'll learn: how to come up with a video idea, generate the script, generate the visuals, create the voiceover, design the thumbnail, and finally, edit the whole thing, all inside a single platform. Best part? You can start completely free. Here's what we made: a finance channel video.
Every country uses its own currency to buy goods and services. A currency is simply the official form of money accepted within a country. Some currencies are worth more than others because of supply, demand, and the strength of the economy. The United States uses the US dollar, which is one of the world's most traded currencies.
And this isn't limited to one niche. This exact system works for finance, explainer content, and productivity videos. Literally any topic you want to build a channel around. So what are you probably wondering right now? How much this actually makes? What's doing all the work behind it? And whether you can really pull this off with zero editing experience. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step workflow to build a high RPM faceless channel and make videos like this. And here's a bonus most tutorials won't tell you. This video, the one you're watching right now, was also made entirely with AI in that same single workspace. That workspace is Segmio.ai. Here's exactly how to use it. I've put the exact prompt in the video description. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. You'll get a spread of video ideas across niches. Don't like the batch? Ask for more. If every banknote explained grabs you, that's money. If every door lock explained grabs you, that's everyday objects. For this video, I stuck with finance. Every country's currency explained. I checked, and this angle already performs well, so the appetite is proven. You've just done the hardest part. Copy the script generation prompt, drop in your idea, hit enter, and in about 15 seconds, you'll have a complete script. This same prompt also generates an image prompt for every scene in your script. Keep that output open. You'll need it in a minute. Now the rest becomes almost mechanical. Open Segmio.ai, start a new project, choose Script Text Upload, and paste your script in. 11 Labs' full voice library is normally a paid feature, but Segmio's free account already gives you many voiceover options built in. Choose the voiceover you want from the options shown. Once you've picked one, click Upload the transcript. Your voiceover is already done. Check it and click Generate Video. Segmio automatically splits your script into scenes. For each sentence, click Image, choose your model, select Manual Prompt, and paste that sentence's image prompt from ChatGPT. If your script has a recurring character, There's a way to keep it consistent from scene to scene. Generate the character first as its own standalone image. Then, for sentence 1, click Reference Image. Attach the character there, and under the Reference Image prompt section, paste sentence 1's prompt. Check the result. If it's right, move on. If not, click Generate again. Once you're happy with it, click Send to Next Sentence as reference, so it carries forward automatically. Repeat the same for sentence 2. Sentence 3. And every sentence after. Attach the reference, paste that sentence's prompt, generate, check it. One thing you can't skip, character or not, make sure each sentence's text actually matches its image prompt. If it doesn't line up, use the merge or split sentence feature to fix it. Get this wrong, and your voice and your visuals will drift apart. Matching the sentence to its image is the one rule that matters most here. At this point, your entire video already exists. Once your scenes are generated, pick any sentence card and open the AI image tool again, this time for your thumbnail. If you have a thumbnail reference image, attach it, then use a simple prompt, something like, make a YouTube thumbnail using this reference for this topic and description. Generate a few variations across different models, then download the one you like best. For each sentence, select the one image or video you want in the final cut, a single asset per sentence. Don't include the thumbnail image itself in the timeline. That's a separate asset just for your upload. Right below the player, click Background Music. From there, select Minimax Music v2.6 and click Generate. It takes a couple of minutes and the result is fully copyright-free. Already have a track from somewhere like Epidemic Sound? Upload it directly in the same panel instead. Either way, bring the music down to around 3 to 10% volume so it sits behind your voiceover, not over it. Go to the page header and click Render, then Start Render. Depending on your video's length, it's usually ready in about 5 minutes. Download the file and it's ready to upload straight to YouTube. Now you know exactly how those million-view explainer channels are made. The only thing left is to pick your niche and publish your first one. Want the free 30 explainer niches list? Real channels? Real numbers? Links in the description. Want to build this exact workflow yourself? Segmio.ai is linked below. Start free, no card needed for your first project. Drop your niche pick in the comments. If you want to know how to make a stickman video, watch this.